Little Cash. He needs a good spanking.
No. Wait.
Oh, where did Cash go? There he is.
Mama.
Where did Cash go? He was just right here. Where did he go? Oh my gosh. I have a big tickle monster for Cash.
No.
Where did he go? I hear him. There you are. Whoa.
Mama.
Where did Cash go? Oh,